Hi Tekla users, welcome to Tekla tool and tips video. This video is the continuation to my previously uploaded video named as how to record a macro and run it inside the Tekla. If you haven't watched it already, please go through the link on the iCard showing at top on your screen. So in this video, we will learn how we can insert the image to your macro. So search the macro which we had created last time, and let's take a moment to understand the work of that macro. You can see that this macro works for the column property to change its color as well as the comment, and it is filling my macro text inside the comment. Okay, so we will insert the image so that we can easily find this macro inside the application and component, and by seeing the image we can understand the work of that macro. So for this we will go to the paint. Here you can see that I have created the image for my macro. The most important thing you need to remember if you are creating the image is size. You can see that I have fixed the 96 standard size for my image. If it will be lesser than this, it will be very small to see it here, and it is not clearly visible to the person. So the image standard size should be 96. Let's save it. You need to save your image in the BMP picture type only, not the PNG, JPNG. You need to only save it in the BMP image. Okay. Here you need to save your image at this path. See Tekla structure 2016 environment USIMP macro modeling. The next thing which is very important, that your image name should be same to your macro file name. It should not be like HH something. It should be properly match with your macro name. It should be exactly same to your macro name. Okay, let's save it and minimize it. After saving your image to the particular part, it will not reflected inside the application and component immediately. It will be reflected after reopen the Tekla. So close Tekla and reopen it. So here I have reopened the Tekla and searched my macro, and you can see that the image is inserted here. Remember that the size of the image should be 96 into 96, and it is very clearly visible to your application and component. This is how you can insert the image which is suitable to your macro, and by seeing it, modeler can easily understand what is the use of that macro. It would be very helpful for a modeler to find it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.